Well, actually, we started researching into cloud to help avoid some of the annoyances we're finding with the traditional systems. It did really cut down on our truck rolls for one of our franchise customers to be able to make edits and changes, especially when ISP starts making changes or configuration changes. We do not have to send somebody out to physically touch that NVR. I have a franchise customer that does have a constant movement of who needs access to view, who needs access to pull recordings. So again, that can be something that's done very easily anywhere in the world that I have internet access, or the customer themselves can use it. I do have some customers that want to be able to add different users for short periods of time. I have basically a pet kennel that they want to be able to give the pet owners from time to time access to the kennel that their animal is in, and then when that animal is gone, then that one comes out. And that's something that the end user can do very easily through the system.